Assalamu alaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you traditional and my grandmother's special Hyderabadi ROAT recipe, which is going to be very tasty and delicious. It is having taste different from naan khatai or cookies or biscuits, so do give it a try, and it is very healthy too. You can even store it for up to 1 month outside the refrigerator. So let's get started. For this I have taken approximately 100 gram of cashews and 100 grams of almonds, and I have grinded the half and I have grinded the remaining half after showing to you. In a grinding jar I have added in 1 cup of dried khajur and 1 cup of charoli or chironji seeds, and I have grinded it into the some coarse powder, and I'm going to add in the dry fruits powder. So here the dry fruits powder is ready. Now let's move on to the next step. Now let's take a huge vessel. I'm going to make in little larger quantity. In case you are making it in lesser quantity, do take half the measurement or quarter the measurement that I'm using. So first of all, I'm adding in 6 cups of dalia or the mota rava that we use, or the broken wheat. Along with it, I'm also going to add in 2 cups of wheat flour. You can even use maida. To make it on a healthier side, I'm using in wheat flour. And now let's add in the dry fruits powder. This is going to be very healthy as we are going to use good fats in it and we are not going to fry it. So wait till the end and do watch the recipe. It will for sure help you out a lot and will give you immense health benefits. Now I'm going to add in for extra crunch the charoli or the chironji. Add in 3 tablespoons of fennel seeds powder, and now it's time to add in sugar. I'm going to add in 5 cups of sugar here. You can adjust the sugar according to your sweetness, or else you can even add in the mishri or the candy sugar. Now give it a good mix and mix all the dry ingredients thoroughly. This is the main step. As we are going to add in the dry fruits, this recipe is going to be very healthy. That is why our old grandmothers are still very healthy even these days. Now add in approximately 1 cup of clarified butter or ghee into the prepared mixture, and now continuously mix all the ingredients thoroughly using your hand, so that the powder, that is the mixture that we have made, is coated very properly with the ghee or the clarified butter. Once it gets properly mixed up, now I'm going to add in 1 glass or approximately 400 milliliters of boiled full cream milk into it, and also add in 1 glass, the same glass of water into it. So the milk that I have used is full cream. So I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of cardamom seeds powder for good flavor, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder so that it rises well and the dough doesn't remain raw. Now give it a mix and knead the dough. So we need to knead the soft dough, because when we rest it, the dalia or the broken wheat that we've taken will soak all the moisture in and the dough becomes tight and harder. So here you can see the dough has been combined well. Now I'm going to create few dents or holes so that the broken wheat that we have used absorbs the moisture well. Let's cover it and rest for about 2 to 3 hours. So here you can see approximately after 3 hours the dough for the Hyderabadi ROAT is ready. Now I'm going to take a ball sized dough by applying little ghee on the hand. Place it onto the greased polythene, and now we are going to spread it using our fingers. We are not going to use the rolling pin here to roll this. So now press it using the fingers and shape it into the desired thickness. The grandmother of mine used to make it in the larger size and she used to bake it in the bakery oven. So I am going to bake it in the home in our oven itself. So I am going to put it in medium thickness and medium size. Now top it with 1 cashew nuts and few poppy seeds on the top. This is my way of garnishing. You can garnish it and top it with whatever way that you feel good for you. You can even put on chopped dry fruits or almonds or as you wish. Now I'm going to place this on the baking tray, and in the same way I'm going to make all the other two. So in a tray I'm getting only 4, so I need to bake in turns, and we are going to store it for about 1 month and easily enjoy it in the refrigerator. It can even be without getting contaminated or spoiled till 2 months. Now bake it at 200 degrees centigrade for about 30 minutes. Here our delicious Hyderabadi dum ka root is ready. This is my traditional grandmother's recipe, which is very tasty and delicious. It has lot of nutritious health benefits, which is going to benefit us a lot. So this was the recipe for today. How did you like it? Do let me know in the comment section below. After making it in the large quantity, store it in an airtight container and enjoy for up to 2 to 3 months under refrigeration. If you like my recipe, do hit the like button and stay tuned for more recipes.